Hello crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed back to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to check for new and fun arrivals that have come out this week. Now I'm always happy to share all of these finds with you guys so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip, so let's dive in. So we're starting off in the craft section and look at all the new wood items. So they have this laser cutout of a station wagon that is solid wood, you guys. This would be so fun for crafting. Another item that they had that was laser cut in the vehicles was this little bug. You can stain or paint any of these items and they will look awesome. And of course they have their classic truck out as well. Look for these three different laser cut items in the craft section. Now another wood item that they have are the 2-slice wood slices. Now this is the 2 packs. These are back in stock. You can see they're fully stocked. I have a feeling they're getting ready for fall with these items. Now another wood item that was brand new to my Dollar Tree are these wood cutouts here. Now these are really thick solid wood house shaped planks. So they have this wide house cutout here. Now in the back they have the standard triangle top style house here. This is the taller version. And again, these are all solid wood, so staining can definitely be an option. Now the third option they have of the house is this one here. It's like the triangle topped one, except this one has a chimney out of the top. How fun would that be to paint or customize? Just definitely be on the lookout for these in the craft section at the Dollar Tree. Now they do have these MDF wood planks with the wood layers on the top. Now I have seen the 3 plank pieces like this, but I've never seen the ones with the 2 plank. Now these do come in 3 different finishes. They have white, black, and this stained color. So you have 3 different styles to choose from if you're looking for these MDF wood planks. Another wood plank style that they had are these houses. Now I'm not sure if I showed you these before, but these are awesome to craft with. So they do have these in multiple finishes as well, like black, white. They do have one like this natural color if you're looking for a natural finish, and if you do prefer a stained finish, they do have this one as well. So there are 4 different finishes for these house cutouts. Now look what else that I finally spotted, the burlap item. So these are burlap little leaves. Here are burlap little flowers. They do have the little gemstone in the center, which is a really cute accent. Now if you're looking for the burlap flowers, they have those in a 4-pack. I love these. I think these are so fun. And then they have the layered ones too in a 3-pack. These are just in time if you want neutral crafts or fall crafts. Now look at the new iron-on. So these look like almost like the fake diamond prints. Now I did see a couple in a faith design. They had the cursive and then they have this one in capital letters. Now if you like the word blessed, they had 2 of those as well. They have it in blue and they have it in this really pretty gold color. I love that these are iron-on, so it takes less fuss. Now they do have another one. Here's the word hope, really pretty. And then they have a second hope in the gold color. Now here's one. This has to be my favorite. This one says queen. It's got the little crown, and they do have a second one. Look at the robust crown on this one. So nice. Now on the back, it does show you a couple ideas of what to do, like on a tote bag or a t-shirt, but you could definitely apply this to any fabric application. Now in the craft section, they also have wreath ties. Now I've been using the standard black and white zip ties. I never knew they had green, but they just put them in stock at my Dollar Tree. Now I did skip over to the makeup section, but not for makeup. Look at this item. So this is a makeup brush holder. I immediately thought of using this in my craft room. So when I wash my brushes, and they can hang to dry without the bristles being bent. Now they do have a couple of different colors, such as pink. They do have lavender. If you want to go standard, I picked up the black one, and they did have a turquoise one at another store. So definitely be on the lookout for these as a new item. Now in the home decor, they had some really pretty new signs. I have never seen these signs before. They just put them out on the shelves. I love this one. A smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. That is so true. I love all of the positive verbiage on all of these little signs. Now I thought that was it until I went around the other side and saw 2 more signs. So this one is happiness is not a destination, but a way of life. So true. And if you love wine, they had some wine themed signs as well. Be on the lookout for these. They just put them on the shelves at my store. And look at these boards. So these are those wood layered MDF cutting boards like you could use for charcuterie boards or something like that. I thought of crafts with these, so I did pick up one of each that has the little jute tie with the beads on the top as well. Definitely get some of these. These are an awesome new item. Now look at these. These are like a fake kind of wine cork you put on the top of a wine bottle, and it has those fairy lights on the inside so you could put them down in the wine bottle as a lighted accent. How cute would that be? Now here's two new items that I saw also in the home decor. These are little windows. Now I love that they have a stand mounted to the bottom so you don't necessarily have to hang them. They have metal wording in welcome and family on the top, so you could decorate these however you like. Now these baskets, oh my goodness, so I was happy to find these baskets. Now they did come out with another version in the Shore Living Sea collection, but this is in the regular craft section. They had 3 different colors. They had the neutral, natural color, they have this stained color, and they had a gray. Be on the lookout for these. They look so gorgeous together, and they have 3 different colors. Now we've all seen those peel and stick kind of wallpaper square pieces at the Dollar Tree. I was looking around to see if I found some new ones. I hadn't seen this floral one, but I thought that was so cute. But I did keep looking and found this blue and gold one. This one has such a modern look to it. I have never seen it before, so I definitely picked up a few of those for my crafting. Now, the Father's Day items are starting to trickle out at the Dollar Tree. And look, I found this dad frame. How cute would that be? They do have this in black and white, so you could choose whichever color frame that you would like to use. Now, they did have a ton of dad-based mugs out there. So if you're getting ready for Father's Day gifts, gift baskets, or wrapping these up in cellophane filled with goodies, definitely check this out. They have fun dad phrases on all of these different mugs. Now, I love the mugs, but my favorite thing today for dad was this. Look at this. This is like a whiskey glass. It says Daddy's Sippy Cup. I thought that was so hilarious and fun. So I definitely picked one of those up. I think those are so cute. Now, my store got the Carolina Panthers items since I'm in the Carolinas, but for some reason, we received the Washington Commanders items as well. May have been put on the wrong truck, but check your stores. You might have different teams there as well. Now, this item is returning. It's in the party section. This is one of those scalloped containers. These are really a large size. I have DIY with this a couple of times. They sold out quickly. Definitely grab them if you see them. Another thing that's returning that I hadn't seen in a while are these rag style rugs. There's so many things you could do with these too. I have also crafted with these. I will link the tutorials of what I've crafted with these items in the description box so you can check them out. Now, if you don't like the colors, they did have the standard black and white as well. Now, I rounded the corner to see all of those pegboard items that were popular several months ago. You guys, when these first came to my store, they sold out so quick. I could never find all the pieces that I need, but I guess they have restocked at the manufacturer because everything was out almost at every store that I visited. The shelves, the pegs, the square pieces, all of the pieces were at my Dollar Trees. So make sure you check your stores for a restock if you missed this the first time around. Another random item down the toy aisle. Look, they have RC cars. Who knew? So if you have a little one not quite ready for the multi-switch controllers, this will be perfect to get them started if they're into RC cars. And they had multiple colors for $125. And this was a new find as well. These are pet toy bins, and these are the collapsible bins that are really popular at the Dollar Tree. They had 2 different prints. These are only $125, you guys. Perfect to keep all the dog's toys in the basket. So now I'm going to hop over to the Dollar Tree Plus aisle to see what's new. And the first thing I found were these diamond painting kits. I'm sure you guys have seen diamond painting before, but now Dollar Tree has jumped on that train and made their own kits for $3. Different styles, whether you want flowers, horses, and this one is a beautiful kind of like a tiger print. So if you're into diamond art, check out these for only $3. Now they did have some punch needle kits as well. They had a cute little dog with glasses on this one. They have everything included in the kit. Now they also have some embroidery hoop kits as well if you're interested in doing embroidery type of artwork. They have this one here, cute little deer with a rose crown. I think that one is adorable. And they had this one with the classic flamingo. They had some with little rainbows, and see, they have everything you need, including the hoop, so you don't have to get extra accessories to look for. Everything is included, and these are $5. Now, some decor that they had, look at these beautiful signs. So they're like an MDF, but they have this wood bead trim that's really cute. These are actually really large, and they're only $3. So they had welcome, they had relax. Here's the relax one, a really pretty. And then hiding in the back, they had one that said hello. So I did see 3 signs in my Dollar Tree Plus for only $3. Now this wind chime blew me away. First of all, it's extremely large. Look at the size of this butterfly, all of the pretty colors, including glass gems, and then it has a large chime base. I was surprised to see these because I've never seen them this large before. These are only $5, multiple colors in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Now this has to be the score of the day. Look at these. They have blackout panels in the plus section in so many different styles. And these actually have those metal grommets, which are really popular and easy to use in decorating these days. So they had the Eclipse brand. They had actually a couple of different brands to choose from. I've looked these up at other stores like Lowe's, Walmart, JCPenney, and other department stores. You guys, you're not going to find them $5 there, but they are $5 at the Dollar Tree, especially for blackout. That's such a great deal. So be on the lookout in your plus sections for these to show up. Another classic item in the kitchen, you remember you have the valance with the half window in the kitchen. They have the 2-piece sets. These are $5. Now, these are actually really good quality, really nice and embroidered. I mean, I was so blown away. Dollar Tree Plus has curtains. What else could they possibly have? And then lo and behold, I look down the aisle and they have sneakers. I mean, really, lady sneakers is what they call them. I remember having these in every color as a kid. You guys, I was so surprised to see these. Now they're only $5. They had multiple sizes. So if you want these, definitely check out the plus section. Now some other high-end looking items they had in the plus section. Look, they have this metal kind of pitcher. It's really farmhouse looking, only $5. So it's white with that black rim. Kind of looks like the classic enamel. Now, if you wanted something just very metal looking, they have the galvanized metal version of these. This is also $5. Both of these are such good deals. You're not going to find that Hobby Lobby can even match this price for something this large. And then look at this. These are those big metal buckets. I mean, these are actually a really good size for $5, filled with plants, filled with pillows, filled with blankets. Such a great deal. Definitely check out the plus section online and in stores. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week with even more brand new arrivals at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see what I create with my Dollar Tree supplies, my DIY videos will be on Tuesdays and Fridays, so set your alarm so you don't miss it. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.